On the beat like I'm on the street. Had to let it eat. Never lift if you catch my drip. Chased on the fastest whip. Talk is cheap and so are you. Slide with the 2 Life crew. Getting paid is what we do. Even my mama too. Ball hard like the playoffs. Take no days off. I've been working this weight off. I'm still eating that cake, bruh. I'm just trying to get it raced, dog. Drink water, get paid, dog.
Whoa, drip. That's what I got. Cent, I'm a dip. Taco, no bill. Eat my ops, go to hell. Yeah. Let's make money. Go sell. I just hit a lick. Can't tell.
About to take the GSXR 1000 out. I'm just going to get a haircut. Haven't made a video. Got the new setup with the GoPro, mic, new helmet, all that jazz. Fire the bike up.
Device connected.
Oh shit, she's heavier than the 600. So I don't know if you guys could hear me before, but 2006 GSXR 1000, the 600 is gone. No, she's not dead, she's just gone. Got the new GoPro set up, new helmet. Another thing I don't think you guys can hear, I ordered new grips and the shorties. I got the shorties. The grips were supposed to come today. They're just black. I'm gonna just hope that the GoPro mic is still plugged in. That would suck. It's my phone. Haven't rode in a couple days. This bike is actually leaking at the fork seals. I just gotta get it in for service. Okay, that's better. I played with the clutch and hadn't rode it since, so. Oh, wow. Moved the camera already. That's great. I'm gonna have to mess with that clutch some more. I think something might be loose. I'm not sure. I had it on a trailer, and like I said, I haven't rode it or checked it since. Something's definitely loose in the front. We're not going far. Yeah, buddy. I need to do an audio check, so I'm gonna check this helmet. Boom. Once I get these fork seals done though, it's wheelie time. Like I said, this clutch,
It's the cable. I'm still playing with the adjustment here. I'm gonna try that. I tightened it. I think that might be actually where I want it. The guy had it super loose. My bad, man. I'm just trying not to hit the bumps. It's kind of hard. I'm gonna pause this in case you guys can't hear me. So this bike scared the shit out of me when I bought it. Almost died, no cap. I took it to work a couple times, and one night when I was riding, dude, I did a max race, dude, and the bike came up. I was scared, but I'm alive. So yeah, after them fork seals get replaced though, I'll probably fool around with it. I don't want to have to do it twice, so if I don't get wheelies, I don't get wheelies. I'll just stretch it at that point. So yeah, back to the Drake. I might have to cut all this out for copyright, you know what I mean? But you be alright. Let it eat. Yeah. Wolfski. Hey. Trying not to hit potholes. I guess this is good for my turning. I really like this bike. Hold on. I really like this bike. The only complaint I have is the fork seals and the color, obviously, because I like to stay true to the blue, but even the white on this has sparkles in it. You know, this stuff, he rode a Harley, so I mean, I guess it's personal preference, but no, I'm gonna change out the grips, like I said, the levers, like I said. Those mirrors gotta go. I don't even need turning signals in the front, but these gotta go. Some people like them, just like these sharp ass things here. No, cut yourself on one. They're actually sharp like a knife. You could stab someone, seriously. Looks cool, but I don't like it. You know what I mean? But like I said, everyone has their own opinion. That's just not my style. We'll give it some high R's. The major difference I noticed between this and the 600, and I know the 600 was carbureted, it was old as shit. This is old as shit too. I can coast at low RPM, you know? That's what I like about this. It's got a power commander. I haven't even touched it yet. Like I said, I haven't rode too much. In Michigan, it's still kind of cold, but I'll definitely let it eat a few times. Like, I'm pretty sure if I like max wrist right now, the bike's coming up. Even if I was in third, same speed, like the bike's coming up, dude. Oh man, I love this bike, dude. Like, and that's nothing. That's quarter, if that. All right, I need some more music. We on MLK. Might have to do the dash. Pay attention. I'm gonna cut the exhaust shorter because I don't think you guys hear me enough. The rear tire squealing on me. See if this helps. I ain't gonna lie, I think this bitch really might need a clutch. No cap. Overthinking about the 4G idle fees, now they down below. Man got so much money on me, can't count no more. Remember I was in the project walls, couldn't even get a loan. Then the niggas got their hands out, if it ain't got it, I'd be wrong. I ain't got time no more. Niggas started from the bottom, now I'm living. Early morning in the whipping in the kitchen. Yeah, he gave it to me, I saw it. I'm over here trying to figure out the burnout to warm up the tire and shit, about to blow my clutch. What'd you say? It's called NeverLift. NeverLift. Yep. Yep. That's how you do it. Do not take that offensive. That's going in the video. Your mama was fine as hell, boy. I ain't even gonna hold you. Ain't even gonna hold you. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah. Just a little baby. You don't even gotta, just a little, all you need is a little watch. Just a little. That's it. That's it. Also, I think this is broken, but the grips I ordered come with the entire assembly, so it'll get swapped out anyway. Just little stuff, dude. Like, I don't think this guy maintenance the bike. I think he got me. He told me he bought the bike with 1,000 miles. The title I signed says 14K. It's at 15. Suspicious. Suspicious. Damn, boy. Hey, man, don't get mad because I said your mom was fine, bro. She is. No kizzy. She's single, comment below. No cap. She can ride, I'll give you a ride, you know what I'm saying? Everybody be happy. I'm gonna try this fucking burnout again. Alright. I'm gonna end up buying a clutch on this bike, guys. I ain't even gonna lie. It's either me or the clutch. Like, it can't, it's either me or the clutch. There's no in between. Like, seriously. Hey, man, I'm finna show you. No cap. She find it, and I said it too. I put this on the vlog and everything. No cap.
Fuck your bitch, now she horny. This truck got me snoring. She suck my dick, oh well. Mr. Postman, got mail.
Huh?
Brother